Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix THERMOMIX TM6 errors 224 and 225 that state bowl is too hot for this mode. Some of the modes, including either different modes available here in the mode selection screen or higher speeds above 6, require your bowl to be under a certain temperature. Some temperatures can only be achieved up to 6th speed level, and you shouldn't exceed that because it probably won't let you. In that case, you may want to just wait until it cools down a little bit. The lights will turn red if the bowl is over, I think, 60 degrees, if I'm right. So yeah, over 60 degrees they will turn red. Wait until they turn green back and then try retrying the mode. Sometimes a recipe will require you to heat something up to a certain level that may make you not able to use some of the modes or the higher speeds. And in that case, you just need to wait until it cools down a little bit and then use the other modes. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.